Hello ladies, this is Prestigious Femina. If you're coming back to the channel, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Now a little disclaimer for those of you who are coming here for the first time. My channel is based on dupes and we're technically viewing the details of the bag as well as go through the bag in order to have engagement with the clients. And if ever you're interested in buying the bags, stay tuned. So today we are unboxing the Gucci Padlock bag. I'm so excited. Well, this is a dust bag. Let's just put that aside. And this is how the bag looks. On the side, the brown leather on the side matches with the key holder, which has the Gucci imprinted onto the leather, as well as the side. This is how the bag looks underneath. And the back side, sorry for that, the back side actually matches with the size and the key holder, right? Now let's just open the bag and then look into the details of the bag. So when opening it, you just squeeze it and it opens, right? And this is how it looks on the inside. It has, what's this material? A suede lining. And it has this little stamp here which says Gucci, made in Italy. Now you will not be able to see that because it's imprinted into the leather. It does not have any gold hot stamp or anything. That's why it doesn't stand out, right? Let's close the bag and just go into the details of the bag. Now, the chain can also be worn as a shoulder bag as well as a crossbody bag. It's not as long as the YSL one, but it's quite long, right? As you can see, oh yeah, we did cover the hardware. Now, the top has the black leather, and then the key holder with the other keys inside actually matches with the brown leather, matches with the side as well as the back pocket, right? This is a slip-in pocket. Now pay attention to the details of the stitch at the back where the Gucci, the 2Gs always are between this, I don't know what to call this dip behind at the back pocket, right? Excuse me. Also pay attention to the stitch, how straight it is, as well as how both the on both sides it's quite symmetrical. This bag, like detail, it's quite detailed, right? It's very hard to actually see the difference between this one and the original, right? Now, like I said earlier, you just squeeze and it opens. This is the inside, and the inside of the bag, it is made of suede. Let me just make sure. Yes, it is made of suede. And then it has an interior slip-in pocket, right? Now, this bag comes with the dust bag, the box, as well as, now this bag usually retails for $1,980 US, which is like, I don't know, I'll just add how much it costs when you check it on the website, and then I'm just charging 2,000 rands. Now this bag also comes with a dust bag, the authentication card, as well as a box, right? But obviously it does not include shipping. Shipping is 100 rand countrywide. Now if you're interested in purchasing this bag, all the details will be linked down below, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my socials and just let me know if you're interested. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good night. Bye. Why do I assume it's night?